Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Dior unboxing for you. And I so rarely have like an actual true unboxing, but I do today. This just arrived and I went into the boutique to try on something and I actually had it shipped to me even though I was in the store, and that's a pro tip, by the way. The city where I live actually has a lower sales tax than where the boutique is located. So they ship it to me and I save money. Just a pro tip for you if you want to save money on Dior. Not really, but to save on sales tax. Here is the box, but I want to show you real quick. My SA also sent me these really cute magazines. So we have the new Dior Magazine. These make great coffee table books. I have, I think all of them. Well, a lot of them, I don't know. This is number 37 and just look through it. Ooh, I haven't even looked through this yet. And then they also had, look how cute, baby Dior. They have really cute baby kids clothing and accessories. I actually have a pair of high top sneakers that are technically from the boys line, like kids, because I can fit it. So that's another pro tip, is to shop from the kids. There was also a stroller that they just released and a bunch of little kid stuff. So cute. So baby Dior. So I don't want to drag it out. I'll go ahead and unbox it for you. And here it is. Okay, let's go ahead and unbox it. Okay, this is tough to do on camera. Okay. I love these little stars. I hang these on my Christmas tree, which is still up, by the way. Don't judge me. Okay, let's take this off. Here it is. Can you guys guess what I got, by the way? I don't know if I hinted at it. I might have hinted in my Instagram stories. So follow me on Instagram, by the way, if you don't already. It's @aheatedmess. I always post stories and polls and ask you guys your opinions on things. So if you've been following me, you might know what this is from Dior. There it is. So before I open it, pause the video, put in the comments what you think this is. I got the medium Dior Vibe in black lambskin. Ooh, how cool is that? A lot of people hated this bag. And to be honest, similar to the Chanel 19, I wasn't really feeling it at first. They had the entire Vibe collection that launched earlier this year, like early to mid-January, I think. And this popped up on everyone's Instagram feed because Dior did that thing where they sent out the bag to a bunch of huge influencers. I guess you could say I was influenced. I mean, I didn't even really follow them, but it just popped up and I was like, I don't know about that. Okay, so hear me out because I thought about this long and hard. I recently posted my entire luxury handbag collection and it gave me a chance to really reevaluate my entire collection and see what I use the most and what does not get used the most. Even if it's something that I really like and appreciate and love the look of, it might not be the most practical for me. So one of those bags that I really like the look, but I don't use is the book tote in every size. I have the larger and these smaller, or now the new medium book totes. And I rarely use them because it's not the most practical for me. And what was lacking from my collection is a very functional crossbody. So I got this. And also I realized when I was doing my Dior collection that I don't own any leather bags. And when you feel this in person, if you get the chance to go into the store, it is so nice and so soft. It just makes more sense to have a leather bag that will handle the day-to-day use and scuffing more than a canvas bag that will eventually crack, because you can't fix canvas that has cracked. If you're familiar with leather, it kind of buffs out. Anyway, but here, let's look at the bag. Okay, so this is the Dior Vibe. It's the black Vibe with the white lettering. It's got a longer kind of adjustable crossbody strap. There is the kind of a belt closure. And I'll go ahead and unwrap this. Yeah, so I tried it on and I realized, okay, I definitely want this bag. And it just was a matter of what size. So I tried on the small and immediately I was like, immediately no. It was too small for me. It was very cute on, but it just functionally, it wouldn't work. It would barely fit my maybe keys, phone, sunglasses. This just made more sense. And I also like the really wider opening of this one, the larger size. Here is the zipper pull. So the zipper pull is, it's like a rubber material. See right there, just plain on the back. It's got this yellow gold zipper. And then the hardware is kind of like a champagne gold. I thought it was silver. In the sunlight here, you can see it is a champagne gold, which is very nice because it can kind of look like silver or yellow gold, depending on what you wear it with. Now, the price of this is very, very pricey. If you think about it in terms of like size, you're like, okay, this is not that big. Why is this more than even the book tote? You have to also consider that this is all leather. This is all lambskin leather versus a canvas book tote. And like I said, my entire existing Dior collection right now is pretty much all canvas. I don't have any leather bags from Dior. So the price for this medium size is, I don't want to say it. I'm going to show it. Okay. That's the price. And then it's $400 less for the smaller size. So the way that I justified that very high price is reminding myself that this is all leather. And if you consider the price per use, if this is meant to be my everyday, daily errand running bag, I would use this every day. I would definitely get my money's worth out of it. So this is it opened up. This is a brand new one. I tried the one in store and then my essay gave me a new one. Oops. Okay, this just fell out of it. This is just their leather care book. It's not specifically for the Vibe bag. I don't know, I guess it inspected. And then I guess the authenticity card. So with my other Dior bags, like my book totes, it comes with the authenticity card, but then the back is blank. And then the sales associate writes their name, I guess, or the boutique number and then the date, I think. Right? Is that what they do with Dior? I don't know. And this is the inside. So you can see here, it's got a slip pocket. It's a very nice suede lining. And then there's the tag here. It's hard to see. It is a bright day. In the lighting in the camera, it's hard to see the inside. It looks a little like a black hole, but it's actually not too bad. And then you have the shorter top handle in the white. And you can wear this over your shoulder. If the bag isn't full, it kind of does this slouchy effect. Let me close it up again so you see. Again, this is the metal clasp on the longer crossbody strap. It opens up like that. Oh, this is very cool. And then it has an adjustable, like a belt loop system here. So I'm going to adjust it to the longest length. The other side is just the end of the belt, like buckle right here. So this side isn't adjustable. This side is adjustable. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it on the largest because I like to wear it as a long crossbody. Now I did try the smaller size and that smaller size looks much better worn as a belt bag than the larger size. This is just a little too big to wear kind of as a fanny pack. Not that I would wear it as a fanny pack, but okay. So this is it. The end all the way lengthened. It has this little strap keeper here. You slide this up and fold it over. And then over time, the leather here will soften and smooth out. Okay. So yeah, when I was going over my entire luxury bag collection and I saw all my Dior bags in one sitting, I separated it by the vintage and then the modern day bags. They were all only either blue or pink. So I had two pink ones and then a burgundy and then everything else was navy blue. I really didn't have any black Dior bags, I think. And I just was like, okay, this I can use with everything, with every outfit. So the reason that I kind of didn't like it at first was this whole theme of the Vibe was very sporty and almost athletic style, you know, athleisure. And they even had like a sport ball and I think a yoga mat and a bunch of sporty things that were part of the collection. Oh, and a bowling bag. Now the bowling bag was actually really cute and that caught my eye and I realized it's because it looked exactly like my Juicy Couture bowling bag from the 2000s. Okay, I have to show it to you. I have to pull it out for this occasion. You guys, this is my original Juicy Couture bowling bag. This was my overnight bag. I use this for school sometimes. This is when I was in college and Juicy was like #1. The velour tracksuits, they were so cool. So I loved this bowling bag. Oh my gosh. And I mean, is this not the exact almost same style as the Dior bowling bag that was part of the Vibe collection? You can see the leather. It's not leather, it's pleather. Has kind of turned yellow over the years, but this was so cute. The inside is this hot pink. I have stuff in here, so I'm gonna open it up because it's very messy. But yeah, it has this hot pink lining. It even has a clochette and a key. How funny is that? And then it has this really cool bottom pocket. Here's the J zipper. And then the pocket opens up and you have a whole bottom compartment with that same pink lining. Oh my God. I can't even tell you how much I love this bag. In my luxury bag collection video, I also showed my first Chanel bag that I ever got, and it was part of the line Cambone collection. It was black with white lettering, similar to this, with hot pink satin lining interior, which I thought was so funny. So anyway, but yeah, the Dior Vibe collection, the bowling bag, gave me such Y2K Juicy Couture throwback. So I passed on the bowling bag from the Dior Vibe. Also, I think it was like 5,000, and it's a style that I wouldn't wear as much. But after reassessing my collection, I was like, I really see myself using this every day as my daily errand throw around bag. And because it's leather, it won't crack the way canvas would. So I'll start trying it on for you. So here it is, just on my arm like this. You can wear it over your shoulder if you want to just wear it this way, and then you can kind of rock the logo like that. There are so many bags this season that have this similar shape and where the logo is on the bottom. Like the new Fendi Greffy collection is just this like rounded moon shape, and then the bottom has the Fendi logo in metal lettering. So this is the same way. You can throw this over like that. You have the strap kind of dangling. You can carry it just as a top handle like this, or over the crook of your arm. And then with the long crossbody shoulder strap at its longest length, you wear this over your shoulder like this. And it's just like the perfect length, perfect crossbody, hands-free. Let's do the phone test. So here's the zipper. I can throw my phone. Once I start using this, I'll do like an in-depth review and showing you what fits in here. So just for now, yeah, it fits my phone. I mean, there's just so much more room, but just to show you how easy this fits in here, and you can just grab it and go. So you're just kind of like keeping it here. You can also wear it like a backpack style, which I wouldn't normally do just because I like to keep all my stuff right in front of me. But if you want to wear it like a backpack style, like, so it's kind of like backpack style bag. I wouldn't wear it that way. Actually, I might wear it on my back when I'm putting my kids into the car in their car seat and I'm leaning over and I'm, dealing with all the car seat buckles. Sometimes if I have a crossbody, I really do throw it over like this. So then that's when I would be leaning over and, putting all their seatbelts on and stuff. And so I'd have the bag like that in the back, very easily turned around, and then bring it right back to the front once we're walking around. How cute. Oh, I can't wait to use this. So yeah, this style just really made so much sense for me. Initially, to be honest, I was a little turned off by all the big influencer marketing that they were doing and sending it to celebrities. It's kind of like how LV was sending out the multi-pochette accessoire to all the celebrities, and even Justin Timberlake, Rihanna. There were pics of them wearing the bag. It was the LV multi-pochette accessory right there. So I would say that actually turned me a little bit off, the fact that this was everywhere immediately all at once. But again, when I thought about it, and then when I tried it on in store and saw how comfortable it was to use, how soft it is, how practical, how it fits me, like it fits me just like right there. It's such a great bag. Ugh, I really like it. Yeah, so I will be using this a lot. I think my only concern is that this is white. And also obviously with this white writing, I probably wouldn't put it down on any surface with this. I would just lay it flat this way. And then this white handle, I wouldn't want it to get dirty. But again, it's leather, you can clean it easily. I might actually use a leather protector, like Apple Guard, to protect it the way I use Apple Guard on LV Vachetta leather to protect it. So I think that'll be okay. But because it is white, even if it does get dirty, it's probably easier to kind of buff out stains or scratches, or even dye it if you have to. But that'll be down the road. For now, I really like it, and I'm really excited. So that is the new Dior Vibe bag in the medium size in black lambskin. And again, this style is not for everyone. It is very sporty. I mean, you can dress it up if you want, but the overall vibe of the Vibe collection is very sporty, very casual. And initially I was like, but when I think about it, that is my life. I mean, I'm very casual most of the time. I don't work in an office anymore. I don't work a 9-to-5 corporate job. And so I don't need office work appropriate wardrobe and accessories. And I'm just in athleisure all the time. This is a romper jumpsuit from Viore activewear. And so this just totally goes with my daily vibe, the Dior Vibe collection. But that is my newest bag. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Let me know what you think of the Vibe collection. It might not be your vibe, and that's totally fine. But I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Thanks so much for watching, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye.